안녕하세요. Maybe is a common word you'll often hear in conversations. There are a few ways to say maybe in Korean, but the most straightforward is 아마도. This is a polite way of expressing possibility or slight uncertainty, so you can use it in formal or casual settings. For example, you're talking to a friend who you'll meet the next day to watch a movie, and she asks you if you think it'll rain tomorrow. If you're unsure, then you can say 아마도 내일은 비가 올 거예요. This means maybe it will rain tomorrow. Let's take another example. Your friend asks if you'll be attending the party next week. You have a hectic schedule, so you're not sure yet. You can say 아마도 갈 거예요. This means maybe I'll go or I might go. Another way to say maybe in Korean is 글쎄. This is a casual way of expressing gentle hesitation to questions or suggestions. It is similar to saying I wonder or well, maybe. You now have different ways to say your maybes in Korean with ease. To know more about the other ways to say maybe in Korean, head over to our resource guide link in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. 또 만나요!